your mid-level Marvel Chef Boyardee.
Hey, how's it going? This is Chef Boyardee with My Mystery Party, and we're doing deviled eggs today. It's easy, clean eating, good for parties, and we're gonna go ahead and do the filling first, which is gonna be yolk, mayo, mustard, relish, salt, pepper, and then we're also gonna experiment with some natural dyes as well. We're gonna go ahead and mix our filling. So we got yolks here, that salt, pepper, our relish. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of mustard. Don't do too much up first. We can adjust it if we need. A little bit more mayo than the mustard. A little taste, make sure. It's a little salty, but that's okay. Yeah, perfect, just like that. Yep, just like that. And we're gonna eat that. 10 out of 10, it's very salty though. Alright, so we just completed our deviled eggs, and in part 2 of this video, we are going to experiment with some dyes. We're gonna be making it spooky for Halloween. We're doing some monster eyes, we're doing a pumpkin one, so stay tuned for that.